Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we have started chapter 1 linear equations in two variables of algebra. Already we have completed up to practice at 1.5. As I have told you in previous lecture, I will take one solved example which is important for your board examples about boat. So see solved example on your page number 23 in your textbook. So read the question. A boat travels 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. The same boat travels 36 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 13 hours. We have to find the speed of water current and speed of boat in a still water. First of all, understand the question. Suppose now see, this boat is moving upside, that means upstream. And if another boat is moving, and if the boat is moving downside, it is called as a downstream. Speed of water current means what? The speed of water in this river, and the speed of boat in a still water means the water in a lake which is still. First of all, let us assume the variables for the values which we have to find. So let the speed of boat in a still water be x, and what we have to find next? Speed of water current. Be y. Now see, in this river, this is a water current flowing downside. There are two conditions here for upstream and downstream. Now we have assumed the speed of boat as x. So let us consider the speed of boat as x. And what is the speed of water current? Y. When the boat will go upside, it require force. Why? Because it is going against the gravity, right? Water is flowing in downside, but the boat is going upside. It requires extra force. Water current is y, but the speed of boat is x, and as it is moving opposite side, we get the upstream value of upstream, that is speed of upstream, as x minus y. Why x minus y? Because see, speed of boat is x, but it is against this speed, against the speed of y. हे बघा, बोटचं जे स्पीड आहे ते वॉटर करंटच्या ऑपोजिट चाललेलं आहे. सो वी गेट द स्पीड ऑफ बोट ड्यूरिंग अपस्ट्रीम as x minus y, right? Now next for downstream, if speed of boat is x and speed of water current is y, both are going in a same direction. As both are in the same direction, simply we will add both x plus y. Understood? When the boat is going upstream, the speed will be x minus y, and when the boat will go downstream, the speed will be x plus y. Okay. Now see, let the speed of boat in a still water be x kilometer per hour, and speed of water current be y kilometer per hour. So speed of a boat in upstream is, when boat will go upstream, it will cancel out the speed of water current, right? X minus y kilometer per hour, and speed of a boat in downstream is x plus y kilometer per hour, as both speed of boat and speed of water current are in same direction. So we get the speed of a boat in downstream as x plus y kilometer per hour. Understood up to this? Okay, now we know the formula of distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, now we will go with the first condition. So what is our first condition? A boat travels 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream, and time for both of these required time is 6 hours. So see, speed of a boat in upstream, x minus y. Now we know the formula, time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So let us assume time for upstream is equal to, what is distance? 16 km upstream, so 16 km is the distance. And what is speed? Speed for upstream is x minus y, so x minus y, right? Similarly, for downstream, T down is equal to distance upon speed. This is 24 km, so 24 upon, now what is speed for downstream? Speed of a what? Speed of a boat in downstream is x plus y. So here x plus y. Understood? Also, this both distance required time of 6 hours. That means time for upstream plus time for downstream requires 6 hours. Now see, time for upstream plus time for downstream requires 6 hours. But time for upstream is 16 upon x minus y plus time for downstream is 24 upon x plus y is equal to 6 hours. Understood this first condition? So this is our equation number 1. Now similarly, how can we write second condition? Now see, the same boat travels 36 km upstream. Now here upstream is 36 km, in place of 16 it will be 36, and 48 km downstream, so in place of 24 it is 48. So similarly I can write, see, according to second condition, this is our first condition, right? Now this is our second condition. See, 36 km upstream. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 36 and speed is upstream. What is the speed of a boat in upstream? X minus y. So x minus y plus, and means plus, and 48 km downstream. So here time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 48 km and speed is, what is speed? Downstream. Speed of a boat in downstream is x plus y. So here x plus y is equal to, what time is given here? 13 hours. So 13. Equation number 2. Right? Any doubt up to this? Now we will solve these both equations simultaneously to get the values of x and y. Now how can we solve this equation? We can consider 1 upon x minus y as m, because both the denominator and here both the denominator are equal. So we can assume 1 upon x minus y as m and 1 upon x plus y as m. By replacing 1 upon x minus y by m and 1 upon x plus y by n. What will be this first equation? 16m plus 24n is equal to 6, equal 3. And what will be the second equation? 36m plus 48n is equal to 13, equation number 4. Now we will solve these both equations. All these both equations, we have to make coefficients equal. So if we multiply this equation by 2, we get here 48. So multiplying equation number 3 by 2, we get 16 into 2, 32m plus 24 into 2, 48n is equal to 6 into 2, 12. This is our equation number 5. Now we will solve both of this equation as we got the coefficient of variable n equal. Now see, subtracting equation number 5 from 4, we get 36m plus 48n is equal to 13 minus 32m plus 48n is equal to 12. So let us subtract this both equation. If there is a sign of minus, all the signs below will change. So minus plus becomes minus, minus plus becomes minus. So 13 minus 12, 1 plus 48 and minus 48n gets cancelled. 36 minus 32m, the answer is 4m. So what we will get? 4m is equal to 1, m is equal to 1 upon 4. So we got the value of m. How to find the value of n? Put m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. So what is our equation number 3? 16m plus 24n is equal to 6. So 16 into m is equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 plus 24n is equal to 6. 4 1s are 4, 4s are 16. So 4 plus 24n is equal to 6. 24n is equal to 6. This plus 4 here it will goes minus 4. So 24n is equal to 6 minus 4. Answer is 2. N is equal to 2 upon 24. N is equal to 2 1s are 2 12s are 24. So we got the value of n is 1 upon 12. Now, but this is not our answer. We want to find the values of x and y. So we will replace again the values of m and n in the original equations, right? We got m as 1 upon 4 and n as 1 upon 12. 1 upon resubstituting the values of m and n. So what is the value of m? M is equal to 1 upon x minus y. We have considered m as 1 upon x minus y, and n is equal to 1 upon x plus y, right? So m is 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon x minus y, and n is 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon x plus y. As both the numerators are equal, so the denominators are also equal. So 4 is equal to x minus y. We got x minus y is equal to 4. This is our new equation number 6. Next, similarly, numerators are equal, then denominators are also equal. So x plus y is equal to 12. We got the value. We got the next equation number 7. Now, as equation number 6 and equation number 7 both the variables have same coefficient, we will solve directly by add subtract method. So add subtract method. Adding equation number 6 and 7. First we will add both of the equations. So x minus y is equal to 4 plus x plus y is equal to 12. So what we will get? 12 plus 4, answer is 16 is equal to minus y plus y gets cancelled. X plus x, 2x. So we get x is equal to 16 upon 2. X is equal to 8. Similarly, we will subtract now both equations. Equation number 6 from 7. So what is equation number 6? X plus y is equal to 12 minus x minus y is equal to 4. After subtracting, signs will be changed. Minus minus plus minus plus minus. 12 minus 4, answer is 8. Y. Now see, don't consider this sign now. Consider this. Y plus y, 2y plus x minus x gets cancelled. Y is equal to 8 upon 2, because this 2 here is in the multiplication form. Here it will goes in division form. 2 ones are and 2 fours are 8. So value of y is 4. We got the values of x and y, that is 8 and 4. The speed of a boat in still water is 8 and speed of water current is 4. Understood everyone? Now try to solve last question of practice at 1.5 with the help of this sum by your own. Now with this, our first chapter, that is linear equations in two variables of algebra, is completed. Thank you everyone for watching the lecture. Please do like, share and subscribe.